No, just take a handful. Do a little handful. Because I got 2 more pots. Go ahead. Nice. This is natural mulch from our Dipladenia plant. Old leaves and twigs. We've got seeds in there we want to protect from the birds. That's perfect. Okay, we've got 2 more pots. Okay, we've got basil seeds in here and sweet potato skins we want to protect from the birds and any other prey. This is our natural form of fertilizer. We got the idea from Planter Garden TV. Nature's form of fertilizing and mulch from our old Dipladenia plant. I love this. Last year I sowed seeds in this pot and the birds got all of them. Nothing germinated. Okay, we've got one last pot over here. Just sowed basil seeds here too. Nice. Thank you so much to my gardening partner, the love of my life. This is wonderful, wonderful. These pots are all ready. We're just gonna wait for these seeds to germinate. This is an exciting part of spring, and it's gardeningtime.com.